Onisha Biggs with another pharmacy tech lesson, and today we're going to be talking about pill counting. So this lesson is going to be short and sweet. Just listen up closely. I'm going to just breeze right through it. Take your notes. If you need to replay the video, replay the video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Okay, so pill counting. It's not any hard thing. One thing I will say when you're in the pharmacy, make sure you wash your hands and you stay cleansed, okay? And preferably use gloves. When you're in a clinical setting, you're going to use gloves, okay? In retail, honestly, not so much. But in retail, you do need to make sure your hands are washed in both settings, okay? So I'm just throwing that out there. Let's see. So with pill counting, of course, you may be given a prescription and it's going to have a SIG read on there. So the SIG may say, I don't know, 3 times daily, okay? And you may have for 7 days, okay? So if this patient is taking 3 pills daily for 7 days, let's just do some basic math here. We got 7 days and 3 times daily. So 3 times 7, because we got 3 a day, but we also have 7 days, equals 21 pills. Okay? So that's the total count. So basically, you would take the little spatula thing and just count out the 21 pills, pop them in the bottle, seal it, give it to the pharmacist to check off. Okay, so now let's talk about a case where it said, and typically you'll get this not really so much in retail pharmacy, but you will get it in clinical or in like a hospital setting. Okay, so let's say you have, let's say they asked for this, 0.75 let's see, of levothyroxine. Okay, so let's see. This is the pill. Well, you do it in black so you get the visual. So this is the pill. Okay, how much of this pill would be this amount? So now, we talked about fractions, we talked about decimals, remember? So in this case, 0.75 is equivalent to this fraction, 3/4. Okay? So that's basically saying this. Let me put it in layman's terms. So that's basically saying 75 cents. Okay? So out of a whole dollar, which is 4/4, you have 75 cents, which is 3/4. Okay? So that's basically saying 3. That's where we get the 3 from, out of the 4, which is a whole 100%. Okay? So out of this, if we divide our whole pill into 4 parts, now it makes it simple for us. We just shade in 3 parts. And that's how much pill we have. So this is how much pill that patient would get, okay? They would get 3/4 of a pill. All right, so basically now let me talk about how you would cut this pill. So when you cut this pill in the pharmacy, you're going to have your pill cutter there. You would basically cut it in half first, so down the middle first, and then you would cut that half across here. And it would leave you with a little quarter piece that looked like that. A little quarter piece, and then you would have a plus a whole half of a piece. Okay? Let's just do one more just to make sure you got it. You're smart, so I'm pretty sure you got it. But just in case, let's say you were given this, 50.50. So of course, you know, that's, and this is the whole pill. Okay? So, of course, you know, that equals 1/2 of a pill. So 1/2 would be straight down the middle, and that's how much of the pill the patient would get, 1/2. So that's just giving you a little substance, not only on counting pills, but also on the different, for between each setting, how it differs. Like I talked about, you wearing the gloves in one, and maybe you can wear gloves in retail as well, but it's not as common as if you were working like in a hospital or some kind of compounding pharmacy or something like that, okay? So that's just giving you a little substance on pill counting. I'm sure you got it. I know it was very basic and simple, but hey, we're all learning at different stages. So this has been Onisha Biggs with another pharmacy tech lesson. As I say all the time, if you have a question about this or anything else dealing with pills or counting medication, then you can ask that question below in the comments, and I will respond and get back to you. Also, if you want to stay up to date on the new videos that we have coming, which we have a ton, make sure that you subscribe to the channel, okay? I'm going to be posting videos ideally twice a week, and I'll have the schedule put up pretty soon, okay? So you have a great day. This has been Onisha Biggs, another pharmacy tech lesson. I'm out.